We are McCade, and we love everything golf. Now, we're not the best golfers out there, but we are one of the best in making awesome gear for golf. This is our latest innovation, the 4-way stretch Velcro pant. Golfwear has basically been made in the same way for decades, but not anymore. No more ill-fitting, too loose around the ankle sitting, or holes in the pocket from tees digging pants. This is a new type of trouser. Above the right back pocket, you'll find a sleek PVC Velcro patch. So if you're like us and always look for a convenient way to store your glove when entering the greens, just remove and stack away the patch on the first tee. The Velcro makes for an easy and secure storage for your glove anytime you need it. The feature that really set these pants apart is our patent-pending silicone tee holder. It always keeps your tees accessible and helps you avoid those never-ending holes in the pockets. I did mention the stretch, right? Okay. And of course, the elastic waistband carries an internal rubberized print, which keeps your shirt securely tucked for the full 18. They come in two models. The smart regular style trouser is available in multiple lengths and designed in a tapered cut. The jogger version is available for both men and women. It features a ribbed cuff at the ankles that only runs in the back. Because hey, we are not doing gymnastics here. It's still golf we're talking about.
Hi guys, I'm Eric. At McCade Golf, our core products have always been our trousers and joggers, and for the last year we have been obsessed with perfecting every detail of the Velcro pant. Thanks to all the great feedback and ideas from you guys, our current customers, we can finally present this project. So thank you for making this a reality and for helping us to rewrite the rules of golfwear.